Hey everybody, it's JR coming at you with another box break video. Today we're going to do 2017 Score, the jumbo box, 40 cards per pack, 10 packs per box, and 4 autographs per box. So I'm going to just do this one kind of quick because there's 400 cards in this box. I'm going to just kind of jump to the rookies and the autographs, the hits anyways, inserts, you know, just for fun. Because I don't want to bore you with this. I've watched some of these videos and they take forever, so I'm just going to jump right in it, and I'm going to just kind of skip through the base cards and show you what the hits are and what the inserts are. Okay, so here we go. Hope everybody's having a good week. We're out here in northern Utah in my store. It's a disaster getting ready for the holiday season. I don't have a card shop. I have a little mom and pop antiques vintage shop. And that's what we do for a living. We'd love to do a card shop, but the city's just small and we just probably would never survive. I don't think I could ever sell enough. I don't think I'd ever sell enough to make it worth owning the shop. So I just buy cards and open them here and have fun. I'm gonna do this the easier way. Yeah, we just like doing these box break videos. I probably got, I don't know how many I got on YouTube right now. There's a bunch. So, you know, if you haven't checked out any of my other ones, just, you know, you can click on my name, subscribe, or just type in, you know, JR Spicci, and then my other videos should all pop up. But yeah, so just check out those other videos if you don't mind. And I just do this for entertainment. I'm not one of those big YouTubers that gets, you know, I don't make any money on YouTube, obviously. So because I've got, you know, 6 subscribers, that doesn't get anybody running to your door to put ads on your videos. So, but like I said, I do this for fun. I love watching box break videos, and I love making box break videos. So hopefully you enjoy them. You know, leave a comment down below if you do, or if my voice is annoying, or if I go too slow, or whatever. Anyways, here we go. Alrighty, and these open up just like I expected them to, and they fall apart. Okay, so flying through these right quick. Let's see. See if we get anything fun. You know, the videos I've watched were so boring. The box break videos for 2017 Score were so boring that I never even watched them until they got to the autographs. So that's funny. Okay, Shelton Gibson, probably an auto. Nope. 35, a number out of 35, artist proof. So that's pretty cool. Alrighty, Joe Flacco Gold Rush. Chris Harris, no fly zone. Deshaun Watson just tore his ACL not too long ago. Big man on campus. Antonio Brown. Alright, so I don't know what's going to happen with Deshaun Watson, you know. Leonard Fournette, he's pretty good. Myles Garrett, Elijah Wood. You know, I don't know if he's going to come back strong with that torn ACL or what's going to happen. Hopefully he does, but you just never know. Pretty tragic injury. I think he did it just playing slow-mo practice, you know, just, and then you know, non-contact, and he just stepped and turned the wrong way and tore his friggin' ACL. So one of those tragedy things. Let's fly through these. Try to find something halfway decent. Roethlisberger, Dalton Romo, Drew Brees. Here's an auto. D.D. Westbrook. Numbered out of 35. We got Ted Ginn Jr. Special callers, signal callers, Aaron Rodgers, Mike Williams, another Clemson. Hype. Davis Webb, Jake Butte, Wayne Gallman, Jared Davis, Malky Dupree, Brad Kaya, Devion Smith, I think. I don't know some of these guys, so anyways, let's get to another pack. I don't even know what I'm looking for in here, really. I mean, what's exciting besides the 4 autographs? I don't know if they have one-on-ones in here or what they got. Okay, flying right along. Eli Manning, Blake Bortles. Okay, nothing good. Just a bunch of guys. Okay, nothing you want to see, I'm sure. Another autograph. Artist proof. Number 35. Raekwon McMillan, Ohio State. There you go. And then you got your Sack Attack. Julio Jones. Christian McCaffrey. He's pretty good. David Njoku, I think. I don't know. Alright, let's look at these rookies and see if anybody's worth anything here. Mike Williams, Ricky Seals-Jones, Desmond King, Marquez White. I don't know. Nothing exciting, nothing to write home about. Next pack. Okay, and I hate when they're all half upside down, half not. So annoying. Whatever. Okay, we got a little Russell Westbrook here. Jordan Matthews, Hightower. Jordan Leggett. Autograph? Yep. Jordan Leggett autograph. Tight end from Clemson. A lot of Clemson hits in here. Joe Namath, signal caller. Roethlisberger. Oh gosh, I'm sorry guys. These freaking things are all upside down. Crap. Jim Brown, Adrian Peterson, Tim Williams, Carl Lawson. Deshaun Watson, rookie. Seth Russell, Zach Cunningham. I was hoping for, I mean, I got a long way to go here, but I'm looking for like a Trubisky or something like that. Okay, let me just give myself a little more room here. Alright, let's see here. 3 autographs. I don't know any of them, so that stinks. I'm just gonna fly through this because nobody cares about these base cards. They ain't worth nothing anyways. Not in score. Even though these boxes are kind of pricey at $100. D'Angelo Williams, red zone, numbered out of 20. And then your inserts here. Chris Ivory, some Broncos, Elway, all that crap. Another Clemson, Mike Williams. Raekwon. Where's the Trubisky? No Trubisky. Sorry, there's no fancy music and all that stuff playing in the background. I don't know how to edit videos. I don't know how to add that crap. So, let's see a bunch of these cheapies. base cards. Oh, what do we got there? Silver scorecard. Not numbered. I don't know who he is. Just must be a silver whatever. Will Jones. You know, 400 cards a pack. You wonder how many cards are in the set. I mean, 400 cards in a box. I mean, I don't know. There's probably every single player drafted probably has a rookie in this set. So you can figure it's going to be tough to pull anything good rookie-wise. Even though I did pull the Watson, which up until he tore his ACL, I would have considered it the best card in the set. You know, the best rookie anyway, ungraded. I don't know what that is. That might be something fun. Looks like nothing big in this one here. Nope. Still waiting on one more auto though. Coming up on 12 minutes. If you're still watching this, man, thank you. I probably would have quit already. There's a Dak Prescott, second year. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you're still watching, this is boring as heck. Victor Cruz, gold zone out of 50. Not bad. Be better if it was ODB, but whatever. Tevin Coleman, Peyton Manning, Corey Davis. I think that's another. I got another one of him. Couple of him in this box. Sean Kaiser. Oh, let's see. I don't know. Yeah, a bunch of guys that don't look very exciting. Two more packs, almost done. So I'll wrap her up real fast. Darrelle Revis. Must be the last pack. It's going to have the last autograph. There's a Kamar Aiken gold zone out of 50. Another one of those silver border or gray border scorecard. Cam Newton. There's Prescott, Elliott, Des Bryant. Right. Leonard Fournette. Jamal Adams. Oh, there's a Trubisky. And guess what? 3 out of... Hold on a second. 3 out of the 4 freaking corners on this card alone are damaged. 1 corner damaged. 2 corners damaged. 3 corners damaged. And the 4th corner is not even sharp, but 3 out of the freaking 3 out of 4 corners are damaged on that. And the other cards around it are fine. So that's garbage. That's ridiculous. Every single card in the pack is fine except for the 1 card I wanted. That's hilarious. I'm going to have to set that aside and write Panini and see if they'll send me another one. Even though, you know, what's it worth? A few bucks. It's a freaking base score rookie. But still, that's every other card in the pack is fine except for that one. Colin Kaepernick. Not Panini, but Score. Okay, did I miss something here, or did I only get 3 autographs? This is my last pack. TJ Watt. I wonder if he's related to JJ. Yep, looks like I got shorted an autograph. Because there's not an autograph in that pack. Anyways, check this out. All the other corners are fine. Except for Trubisky. All of them are fine. Alright, well hey, thanks for watching. I gotta relook at my stuff and see if I got 4 autographs or 3. But anyways, please subscribe, hit that like button, hit the bell, and I'll do some more box break videos. I got a bunch of vintage stuff I'm gonna be breaking soon, so thanks for hanging in there. Bye.